In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make neon text in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have glowing, eye-catching text that looks like it's lit up with real neon, perfect for social posts, banners, or thumbnails. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. You can use the desktop app or a web browser. Either way, you'll see a clean home screen with options to create and manage your projects. Make sure you're logged into your account so your work saves automatically and you can access all your recent designs and brand assets. On the left side of the interface, look for the section that lets you open your existing projects or start something fresh. You can click your stuff to browse your work or choose Start New Design if you're creating from scratch. Then, select New Design to open a blank canvas. This gives you a clean workspace and keeps the focus on the text effect we're about to build. Next, head to the left toolbar and click Text. This opens the text panel with quick options and presets. For this demonstration, we'll keep it simple and flexible. Click. Add your text to place a new text box on the canvas. Type your message. Short phrases work great for neon because they look bold and striking. Use the bounding box handles to resize the text and position it where you want it to sit in the design. If you need to, adjust the font to something smooth and rounded. Neon often looks best with fonts that have clean curves. With your text selected, look for the Effects options. Click Effects to open the styling controls. This is where the magic happens. Choose a glow style effect. This simulates the soft, bright halo you see in real neon signage. Now edit the color. For a classic neon vibe, go for vibrant hues like electric blue, hot pink, lime green, or bright purple. Increase the glow intensity and blur to create a soft outer light, and fine-tune the size so the glow extends just enough to feel luminous without washing out the letters. If your neon doesn't pop right away, try boosting the text's fill color to a vivid shade that matches your glow, and make sure there's strong contrast between the text and background. High contrast is key to that neon punch. When you're happy with the look, refine spacing, scale, and alignment so everything feels balanced and intentional. That's it, your neon text is ready. You've opened Adobe Express, signed in, started a new design, added your text, and applied a glow effect with a bright neon color. Have fun experimenting with different hues and glow strengths to match your style and use case.